Dear educators from all over the world, as a teacher I feel the frustration and overload teachers carry, and the distractions they face when wasting valuable time on non-teaching tasks like lesson planning, quizzes, grading, data analysis, and feedback. 2 in 5 UK teachers work 26 hours for free each week. US teachers work an average of 15 hours extra weekly, exempt from overtime pay. This is what motivated me to create Enhancing Arabic Language Learning with AI-powered approaches and strategies, which will reduce unpaid overtime by over 85%, saving teachers up to 13 hours weekly. The combination of AI tools for efficiency and human teachers for personalized mentorship and emotional support can create a well-rounded educational experience. Can you imagine creating all the needed pieces of the new lesson you want to teach from an idea, text, concept, or authentic articles or recent news? In just a few minutes? I know the question now arises in your head. What? How? Fear not, the solution is here. The AI Classroom. Join our workshop, From Learning to Mastering AI, and create an engaging classroom learning and teaching experience. Reserve your spot today. Together, let's revolutionize education.